Hi guys, we're going to Gibraltar today. We're going on a day trip. This is my housemate Mel. If you don't know where Gibraltar is, it's on the south coast of Spain, and there's heaps of cool stuff there. There's a monkey reserve and a cave and some really cool views. So yeah, enjoy the vlog. Hi guys, so we are now in Gibraltar. We were on the bus for how long? Like an hour? Basically an hour. And now we've just had a walk around the the town a little bit at the shopping strip. It's amazing. And now we are eating breakfast. Well, our second breakfast because we're super hungry. So I've already started. We're just having like a full English breakfast, and Mel's got the same, and it's super nice. Yeah. We are just getting the minibus to, where are we going first? The cave, I think, and then we're going to the monkey reserve, and yeah, we're gonna see the top of Gibraltar, and I'm super excited! Arrived at St. Michael's Cave, which is where there's obviously the cave and all the monkeys, and we're going to visit the monkeys and take photos and videos of them, and I'm super scared but exciting, very exciting. I'm here with my new best friend, Michael. Michael, say hi. Oh, he's a bit camera shy. He's a bit camera shy. That's his bum. Michael, what do you do for a living? Just monkeying around. Cool. Hi, Michael. Hi again. I know you're a bit camera shy. He says he doesn't like people touching him. Well, that's alright. I'm not touching him. It's a monkey off one's back. Right, Michael? Any plans for tonight? Oh, a bit of monkey business. Nice. He went to the gym last night. He did leg day, so he's a bit sore today. Michael, say hi for the camera, mate. Nice. You just enjoying the view, mate? Oh, cool. Yeah, just relaxing a bit, I think. It's been a big day for Michael. I'm gonna do a bit of an interview. So, Michael. Oh. He lives in Gibraltar and he's
born here.
He was born here, and he's a great bus driver.
Great tour guide as well.
Yeah, and the tour guide.
But I nearly left them behind.
Yeah, there was one stop where we nearly missed the bus, and Alexandra nearly left us behind. Very rude. Got back from Gibraltar. We were on the bus for a long time. I don't know, I feel like it felt longer than an hour, but we've just arrived back home and we're gonna have a siesta, and then we are probably going out tonight because it's Mel's last day. So I might vlog that, and yeah, bye. Hi guys, I'm here with George, who's also our housemate, and Mel, and we're about to go to the old town for just some dinner and I think a drink for Mel's last night.
And I am very hungry.
And George is very hungry. We're gonna take some vlogs of that. It's super beautiful there. There's some nice buildings. You're very tall. There's some nice buildings and restaurants, and let's go. Vamos. Vamos. So we're at dinner now in the old town. Melanie and George have just gotten their dinner. They're having paella. So this is George's paella. Very hot. Very nice. Do you like it?
Very nice.
And Melanie as well. Thank you for watching my vlog. Please leave a comment and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Have a great night. Bye.
Bye.